Instagram affiliate marketing is a great way to make money from the comfort of your own home. With just a few clicks, you can turn your Instagram followers into loyal customers and earn commissions on their purchases. Whether you're looking for extra income or aiming to replace a full-time job, affiliate marketing with Instagram can be an easy and rewarding way to do it. Hit the bell icon now for insider tips and tricks on how to get started with Instagram affiliate marketing. Instagram affiliate marketing is an effective way to generate income through your Instagram account. With this type of marketing, you can promote products or services for a commission and earn money from your followers every time they purchase something. The best part about it is that you don't need to own the product or services you are promoting. All you need is an Instagram account and the right strategies. With the right approach, you can use Instagram affiliate marketing to create a steady source of income without having to invest much time or money. Start your journey toward financial freedom today. How affiliate works on Instagram. Affiliate marketing on Instagram is a great way to earn money from your followers. With affiliate marketing, you partner with an advertiser and post images or videos promoting their products or services. When someone clicks on the link in your post and makes a purchase, you receive a commission as compensation. To start with Instagram affiliate marketing, you need to find a company that offers affiliate programs. Look for relevant companies to your followers and provide products or services they may be interested in. Once you have chosen an advertiser, sign up for their affiliate program and get your unique link to include in your Instagram posts. When creating content for Instagram, keep it simple and engaging. Share clear images and videos of the products you are promoting. Highlight its features and benefits and provide link to the website. The key is incentivizing people to act on your post by reminding them why it's worth investing in this product or service. Finally, track your progress with analytics tools so you can understand how your posts perform and identify any improvement areas. With the right strategy and creativity, you can use Instagram affiliate marketing to make money from your followers and drive more sales for your advertisers. How many followers do you need for Instagram affiliate? The number of followers you need to become a successful Instagram affiliate depends on your goals and the products or services you promote. Generally, it's recommended that you have at least 10,000 followers to maximize revenue potential. However, depending on the niche market you are targeting, you may be able to make money even with fewer followers. Are you ready to get started with Instagram affiliate marketing? Start by subscribing to our channel for helpful tips and tricks. Share your feedback in the comments section and join us our journey of success. We look forward to hearing from you. Good luck.